Good afternoon, folks. Happy New Year. We're back again at 12:21 p.m. and we are doing a free giveaway by Alex. I'm going to copy the list on the way up here as I have it out and about. For a set of 24 karat Star Wars cards. It looks like pretty awesome. Thanks, Alex. Here we go. Yeah, set of 24 karat Star Wars trading cards. Rad. I got 113 spots that I'm going to paste in here. There you see them. All 1 through 113. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We get a 7. So we are good to go as we get right into it. Good luck, guys. Happy New Year. Nick takes round 1. Chris round 2. Jason round 3. Jerry round 4. Joel round 5. Kenneth in the top spot for round 6. And our winner is Dennis in at number 75. Congratulations, Dennis. Here's the verification code and official results. OAVMKW Dennis Chicalero in at number 75, is the champion, which means I'm done at 12:23 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results and our winner. Dennis in at number 75. Congratulations. We'll see you next time, guys. Happy New Year. Thanks.